Hey everyone, welcome back to the Road and Review. Today we're diving into something exciting, the 2025 DSR Auto Electric Rickshaw. This is a game changer in the world of sustainable transportation, and we're here to give you a detailed look at what it offers. Let's start with the design. The DSR Auto Electric Rickshaw has a sleek and modern appearance, blending functionality with a contemporary aesthetic. Its compact structure is designed to navigate crowded urban areas effortlessly, making it a perfect fit for cities. The build quality feels solid, and it's clear that durability was a priority in its design. Now let's talk about performance. Powered by an efficient electric motor, this rickshaw is all about smooth acceleration and a quiet ride. The battery capacity is impressive, offering a range of up to 150 kilometers on a single charge, depending on usage. This makes it an ideal option for daily commuters and transport operators who need reliability and affordability. Charging is straightforward, with options for both home and fast charging stations. Inside, the cabin is spacious and comfortable, offering enough room for passengers and their belongings. The seats are ergonomically designed, ensuring a comfortable ride even on longer journeys. The digital dashboard is a standout feature, providing real-time information on battery life, speed, and distance traveled. Plus, it has USB charging ports to keep your devices powered on the go. One of the most exciting aspects of the 2025 DSR Auto Electric Rickshaw is its focus on sustainability. Zero emissions mean it's not just cost-efficient, but also environmentally friendly. For drivers, the reduced maintenance costs compared to traditional fuel-powered rickshaws make it an appealing choice. Over time, the savings on fuel and maintenance alone can significantly offset the initial investment. Safety hasn't been overlooked either. The rickshaw comes equipped with advanced braking systems, anti-slip tires, and bright LED lights for visibility at night. It's clear that DSR has prioritized both the driver's and passengers' safety, which is always a big plus. If you're looking for a vehicle that combines affordability, sustainability, and modern tech, the 2025 DSR Auto Electric Rickshaw is definitely worth considering. Whether you're a business owner in the transport sector or someone looking for an eco-friendly way to commute, this rickshaw might be the perfect fit for you. That wraps up our review of the 2025 DSR Auto Electric Rickshaw. Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Are you excited about this shift to electric rickshaws? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the Road and Review for more updates on the latest in the automotive world. See you in the next one.